Alright, what's going on, guys? Eric for Fish Fools here. I'm out here at the farm pond again, going for some bluegill, bass, hopefully some crappie. I'm out here with my friend Alex. He's starting at the rooster tail and I'm starting with the little minnow. I might switch to rooster tail if he starts getting bites though, so stay tuned for some fish. They come off? I thought you had a giant on for a second. I thought you had a big one on. There's one. That's a big bluegill. Told you bluegill here are big. Yeah. There you go, first fish of the day, big old bluegill. Oh, one just came up for it. I was reeling it in and it chased it. Ooh, cast there. Oh, thank you. Didn't want to take you off anyways. What? The orange ones? Yeah. A little later after we catch some fish. There's one. Oh, big old bluegill. There you go. This one's pretty. Stripes like blue. There you go. Third fish, second bluegill. Oh, there we go. There you go. Just switched up to a little rooster tail because it's not having good luck with the minnow and it paid off. There you go. Little one, but still fun to catch. Oh yeah, that thing. What the heck? Dude, it hit it right. I watched it swim up and eat it. He had no time to fight, that's why he's so lively. Hit it right at the bank. There we go. I think it's my third bluegill. Oh. Oh, there you go, a little bass on it. Oh, quick release has, it counts, hits land. How did it land like that? Look at that little thing. It's pretty muddy. Is it bluegill? Yeah. Nice. Oh, double up. Double up on bluegills. There you go. There's Alex over there with his, and I think yours might be a little bigger. There you go. Oh my god, it's a toad. It's a toad. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. It's a toad. It's a toad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just kidding. Dude, this actually is a really big bluegill. Oh my god. You were messing around and got him
5 pounds.
He freaking choked it. Holy crap. It's a really big bluegill. I'm gonna get this guy off real fast and probably get a weight, see if he's my new PB, and let him go. Guys, gonna get a weight on this bluegill. Oh crap. Gosh, I hate bluegill sometimes. Gonna get a weight on this bluegill. Gosh. Is 8 ounces, a half pound. Half pound bluegill right there. Gonna let him go.
Said I'll catch him.
Tried to do a good release, but he just wanted to jump out of my hand. Whatever. Oh, holy crap, it's a huge bluegill.
Oh, that's big.
Dude,
That's big.
holy, oh my god. That's probably the biggest bluegill I've ever seen.
That's probably,
Oh, let me double you up real fast. You want to weigh it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're going to get a weight on Alex's giant bluegill he just caught. I'm going to say 12 ounces, so it's a big one. Hold on. Alright, let him go. It says 10, let's weigh it one more time. I got it. Yep, 10 ounces. Close. Oh. Yeah, 10 ounces. There you go, that's a big one. You let him go real fast. Catcher and release only. Alright guys, if you ever see shade right here, just freaking cast to it. Don't be such a pudwack, just cast. You're definitely gonna catch a fish.
I'm ready.
Alright, that time didn't count, wasn't really ready, so let's restart. Just cast the shadow. You're gonna cast the outside of it. Just real slow if you're using a little rooster tail. See? Was it?
Shadow, baby.
See, he proved it. I already caught a fish here earlier, that's why I didn't catch him. He caught one by that shadow. See how it does? Catch a big bluegill. Oh, there's a big gator over there. F Florida. This guy.
Fishing fools, ripping lips, baby.
I tried to double you up, but I suck. That's a freaking giant cow. Dude, look how big his nuts are.
I know, it's big old bone.
Alright guys, the black rooster tail stopped getting bites, so I'm gonna, just for fun, I might go back to the rooster tail, go back to a minnow or something, but for fun I'm gonna try this little pink one right here. See if I catch any fish on it. Oh, that was cool. The first cast on the pink one, a bass came up and hit it at the shore. A little one, but let's give him a little nudge back in. There he goes. Oh shit, this gator tried to sneak up on me. I don't know if you guys can see her, there's a gator sitting there right in the water. Oh my gosh, scared it. Hey, come here, look at this gator that tries to sneak up on me and eat me. Alex. Holy crap, that scared me. Now I know he's there. Let's come. Little midday update. We're made about a third of the way around the pond without any more bites since the pink rooster tail fish. Since then I switched to this black rooster tail because that's what I got all my bites on. So I figured that was a pattern. I might as well go back to it to catch more fish. So stay tuned for more fish.
Time to tell your dad to get us.
So I'm gonna call him. Oh, one hit it right there. Hey, quick release, he hit the shore, counted. Dude, that thing hit it in like 2 inches of water. Oh, there we go. You see that one hit at the bank? No! I got him. Yes. I got him. Oh, there we go. Dude, that thing hit it right here. I watched it hit it. It's really fat as well. But there we go, another bluegill. Dude, I barely got him. Oh my god, I freaking suck. Yeah, I set the hook way too hard. I saw it swirl over there. It's probably a little. Oh, right when it hit the water.
Oh, well that's pretty nice.
The bass.
Oh, that's pretty nice. It's the biggest one of the day.
Yeah. That was literally right when it hit the water. I had no time to reel. Using these tiny rooster tails to catch these bass and bluegill.